Okay, so here's a little checklist of what your Trello card has to have. So once you're logged in, you think your Trello card is done, you want to make sure you have the following information. You want to make sure that you first have a title that represents your essential question. So your title should be exactly your essential question that you submitted earlier in this round. So was Iraq, Syria, North Korea ever safe places to visit? What led to their radical change? And of course, you want to have a question mark and capital starting with a capital letter. So this is a full sentence, essential question. You then want to make sure that your first card has a picture. So your first card should have that attachment that has a picture that represents your essential question, as well as the steps that you're going to take. So you want to make sure you have multiple steps. It's not just research and create, but what are the questions that you're going to research? So what do you need to know in order to complete your project? And then what will your project consist of? So for example, if we look at this one, the essential question is, what would life be like without technology? Here's the picture. And then his steps were to choose 4 of the most common technologies used, to lock the electronics away for a month, to see how everyone does without their electronics, and if that gets crazy, decrease the time limit. If it gets too calm, increase the time limit. So he was very thoughtful about the ways he would measure the effects of his question. Some of your questions are going to be very different. So you really have to be thoughtful about what will be your steps in order to complete your project. Each step should have their own card. Okay, and you could always add a card if you change your steps.